Hello and welcome to the video of my final project for CS50 from Harvard. My name is Mohammad Uzaifa and I am from Karachi, Pakistan. I have created a game called Dash coded Dua from Love. You move your character by pressing the arrow keys. You cannot move into the black zones of the levels. Touching the enemies causes a death. The game records the number of deaths you tally and displays it to the top left of the screen. To get to the next level, you need to move inside the green zone other than that which you started in. Different types of enemies are colored differently. Orange enemies move in a circular motion, red enemies move in a single plane, yellow enemies move diagonally. Pink and purple enemies accelerate towards the player. There are a total of 10 levels. Depending on the number of deaths you tally, there will be a different message displayed to the player at the end of the game.